the world continues to shift and change. We know demand for steel is set to double in the next 30 years. At the same time, many nations have committed to ambitious carbon targets, which poses a challenge for energy-intensive steel manufacturers around the world. We're stepping up to the challenge. We started the journey with our recognized Green Steel initiative, focusing on recycling steel with renewable energy. Now, we're set to accelerate our approach, further embrace cutting-edge technologies, and the delivery of renewable energy on a universal scale. From the United Kingdom and Europe, to Australia, China, and the United States. A network of steelworks, factories, and service centers will now come together as one. A new force in steel. With 30,000 employees and a total capacity of over 18 million tons, it makes us one of the largest steel producers in the world. Liberty Steel Group will support countries to meet their zero carbon emission target, contribute to stronger economies, and help build a sustainable future for generations to come. We're confident of our capabilities and have set our own ambitious target and challenge to become carbon neutral by 2030. We know achieving this goal will be hard. We applaud the efforts already taken by others. And to those who want to be courageous, join us on this journey. We believe positive and long-lasting change can only happen by being brave. But we make no apologies for being ambitious. It's part of who we are. We are Liberty Steel Group.